You just came up with the perfect business name, but if you don't trademark it, someone could steal it tomorrow, and there's nothing you can do. In 2024, over 600,000 trademark applications were filed in the US. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to trademark your name step by step, how much it costs, and the one mistake that will get your application rejected. With USA Rights Simplified, where we break down legal processes in plain English. This video is your complete guide to trademarking through the United States Patent and Trademark Office, the USPTO. Whether you're starting a business, launching a product, or protecting your brand, this is the process you need to know. We'll cover what a trademark actually is, why you need one, how to search existing trademarks, the step-by-step filing process, costs, timeline, and when you should hire an attorney versus doing it yourself. Everything you need is in this video. Let's get started. First, what is a trademark? A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, design, or combination of these that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or services. Think of it as your brand's identity. Examples: Nike's swoosh logo, McDonald's golden arches, Apple's bitten apple, the phrase "just do it." All of these are federally registered trademarks. There are several types of trademarks you can register. Standard character mark, just the words, no specific font or design. Example: Coca-Cola in plain text. Stylized design mark, the words in a specific font, color, or with a logo. Example: the Coca-Cola script logo. Sound mark, a distinctive sound. Example: the NBC chimes. Color mark, a specific color associated with your brand. Example: Tiffany blue. For most small businesses, you'll file a standard character mark because it gives you broader protection. It covers the name in any font or style. Why you need a trademark? Why trademark your business name? Protection. Legal right to use the name nationwide. Without a trademark, your rights are limited to the geographic area where you actually do business. Enforcement. You can sue anyone who uses a confusingly similar name in federal court. Licensing. You can license your trademark to others for royalties. Asset value. A registered trademark increases your business value if you ever sell. R symbol. You can legally use the R symbol, which deters copycats. The key phrase here is confusingly similar. Your trademark protects you from competitors using names so similar that customers might think they're your business. Before you file, you must search existing trademarks. Why? Because if your name is too similar to an existing registered trademark in your industry, your application will be rejected. You'll lose your filing fee, $250 to $350, and have to start over. The USPTO receives over 600,000 applications per year, and about 30% get rejected. Most rejections are due to likelihood of confusion with existing marks. Here's how to search. Go to USPTO.gov. Click on Trademarks in the top menu. Click on Search Trademark Database. This takes you to TESS, Trademark Electronic Search System. 5. Click on Basic Word Mark Search. 6. Enter your proposed name. 7. Review all results. You're looking for exact matches, similar spellings, phonetically similar names, sounds the same, and names with the same meaning in different language. For example, if you want to trademark Blue Ocean Coffee, search Blue Ocean, one word, Blue ON, alternate spelling, Azul Ocean, Spanish for blue, Ocean Coffee, Blue Coffee. When reviewing search results, check the Goods and Services description. A trademark in a completely different industry might be okay. For example, Delta Airlines and Delta Faucets can coexist, different industries. But Delta Coffee and Delta Cafe probably can't. Same industry, likelihood of confusion. The USPTO examiner will look at these factors: similarity of the marks, similarity of the goods or services, channels of trade, where products are sold, sophistication of buyers, actual confusion evidence. If you find something similar in your industry, consider changing your name now rather than paying $350 for a guaranteed rejection. All right, you've searched and your name is clear. Here's how to file. Step 1. Create USPTO.gov account. Go to USPTO.gov, click on Trademarks in the top menu. Click on Apply Online. Create an account with email and password. Verify your email. Choose your application type, TESS. Step 2. Choose your filing system. The USPTO has 2 filing options. TESS Plus, $250 per class of goods or services. Must meet strict requirements. Must select descriptions from the USPTO's pre-approved list. Must agree to electronic communication. TESS Standard, $350 per class. More flexible, can write custom descriptions, still electronic filing. I recommend TESS Plus if you can. It's $100 cheaper, and most businesses fit into the pre-approved categories. Identify your goods or services, critical. Step 3. Identify your goods or services. This is the most important part of your application. You must classify what your business does. The USPTO uses 45 international classes. Classes 1 to 34, goods, physical products. Classes 35 to 45, services.
Precision
Examples:
tailoring,
Class 25,
modern
clothing,
elegance.
footwear, headwear.
Shop the latest
Class
collection
35,
in store
retail store
and
services,
online.
advertising. Class 41, education, entertainment. Class 42, computer services, software design. Class 43, restaurant services. You pay per class. If you sell t-shirts, Class 25, and run a restaurant, Class 43, that's $250 times 2 equals $500. The USPTO's Trademark ID Manual has pre-approved descriptions. Use these exact words for TESS Plus. Complete the application. Step 4. Fill out the application. You'll need to provide owner information, your name or company name if filing as a business, address, email, mark information, type of mark, standard character or stylized. If stylized, upload image, JPEG, 300 dpi, under 5 megabytes. Basis for filing. Section 1.a, already using in commerce, must provide proof. Section 1.b, intent to use, will use in future. Most startups file 1.b intent to use, then submit proof later once they're actually selling. Specimen of use. If you're already using the mark in commerce, you must show proof. For goods, photo of product label, tag, or packaging showing the mark. For services, website screenshot, advertisement, brochure showing mark with service description. Bad specimens will be rejected. Mock-ups or renderings, business cards, invoices alone, domain name registration. Pay fees. Step 6. Pay filing fee. TESS Plus, $250 per class. TESS Standard, $350 per class. Payment by credit card, debit, or ACH. Once paid, you'll get a serial number. Save this. It's your application tracking number. After you file, here's what happens. Month 1 to 3, initial review. The USPTO assigns an examining attorney who reviews your application for completeness and searches for conflicting marks. Month 3 to 6, office action maybe. If there are issues, you'll get an office action, a formal letter explaining problems. Common issues, likelihood of confusion with existing mark, description too vague, specimen doesn't show mark in commerce, merely descriptive, describes the product too directly. You have 6 months to respond. If you don't, application abandoned. Month 9 to 12, publication. If approved, your mark is published in the official Gazette for 30 days. Anyone who thinks your mark infringes theirs can file an opposition. Month 12 to 15, registration, if no opposition. If no one opposes, you get your registration certificate. Congratulations, you now have a federally registered trademark.